paddles blend the mixture into a uniform red batter, ensuring even integration for that fluffy texture.
Hello, I'm Emily from our Beetroot Cake Factory. Watch how we craft these moist, vibrant treats from fresh beets to festive delights.
Thanks to the enclosed, ventilated environment and air purifiers, the beetroot's natural sweetness and
Here are the transit and quality metrics on the tablet for the beetroot shipment.
Synced. Everything looks optimal. We'll start the transfer now.
Everything checks out on the manifest.
Weight and temperature are within tolerance. We can start unloading.
Check this one, surface feels rough.
Agreed, divert to compost.
The next batch looks good for the vibrating conveyor.
Ensure the sanitizer levels are optimal for this batch.
Confirmed. The blades look good.
The humidity level is stable now. We should have perfect crusts.
The beetroot cakes are looking magnificent, chef.
The temperature calibration is off by 2 degrees. Adjusting the flow rate now. Clear on the ramp sensors.
Confirmed. Seal it up, we're good for distribution.
Clear on the ramp sensors.
Confirmed. Seal it up, we're good for distribution.
That's our Beetroot Cake Factory magic unveiled. I'm Emily, your chef. Thanks for watching. Bake your own vibrant treats and celebrate deliciously.